pasteur qui dans les États-Unis, qui est connecté, soit pour le positif, soit pour le négatif.
We greet all the pastors in the United States that is connected for the positive or negative.
Négatif l'a cherché.
There are some that only seeks for the negative.
Mais avant le négatif, la positive va te couvrir.
But before you found the negative, the positive will cover you.
Est-ce que nous là?
Are you here?
Parce que avant pour avoir un négatif, si
Before you
négatif
found that one negative, if it is negative, I will already cover you with the positive. Amen.
Et mon Dieu, pas jamais dit nous pas faire négatif.
And the Lord said,
mais
never
positif
said we
nous
will.
tellement en abondance.
The positive are so much in abundance.
Négatif la vie ne pas paraître rien.
The negativity seems like nothing. You do not have to like everything that I do. You do not have to like everything that I do. You do not have to love everything that I do. You do not have to love everything that I say. You do not have to accept everything that I say. Because you never called me to the ministry. Yes, you can help me. But how can you help me? Can you help the people who are beside you? There's a lot of people that say do not attack people. But they never said to people, this is what they're doing, that's not good. It is a system to close everybody's mouth so that negativity can invade. But God placed me as a preacher with a hard face. With a preacher with a hard face. More hard than the rock. More hard than the diamond. Not to preach people outside, but people on the inside. According to Ezekiel 23. That's what I see. According to Ezekiel 3, I cannot preach the pagans and inside is worse. Pastors, before you preach the pagans, preach yourself, preach your family, preach inside, preach the deacons. The method of the gospel according to the study. Matthew chapter 23, it says clean inside of the plate before clean the inside of the plate. I am with my brush, I am with my sponge, I am with my tools. I will scrub. I do not care about what's going on for you. But you have to do the righteous gospel. There are so many people who want to do the gospel, but you held the truth captive. Everyone who's listening to me throughout the whole world, I have covered the Haitian territory. You have to listen. You have to listen to the gospel. You're not clear. You're too much of a plotter. There's so many plotting going on. They never get along. But as for money, they unite themselves. They unite themselves. They unite in evil. And then they will tell. There are some people that are saying, if Pastor Amel knows Gregory, speaking evil of Gregory, well, this gospel not evil. You are such a you are such a dumb person, such a bluff joker. Pastor Gregory is a guy of worth. He is a social person. He's a theologian person. He is eloquent. Why do I have to speak evil of him? Am I stupid? Stupid, dumb, upside down, flattering of the face. Watch out. This is what I do.
Mais ça veut dire gars, ou pas comprendre.
This is what I do that they don't understand.
Même son base missile.
When I have a mic in my hand, I have a bunch of missiles. If I do not see the gospel clear, I will shot that missile. I will shoot that missile if I do not see the gospel clear. And when I shoot, I will shoot at myself first. When I shoot at this woman. I shoot at Dr. Lindsay. Tell her, fix yourself. I shoot at Dr. Charlson. I shoot at the chief of the district. I shoot at those. I tell them, fix yourselves. I am not part of the thieving. I'm not part of the... I finished shooting that missile. When I shoot it in my territory on the pastors, on the preachers, inside of narrow gates, Sister Fancy, you have to be righteous. Are you here with me? Say, Sister Dani, Mother Pastor, fix yourself. This is how I shoot my missiles. This is how my missiles are. I let go of my missiles around me first. Look at and ask people around me, can they be hypocrites? Can they live with their wife shamefully? Can they speak evil? Ask them if they can do something else. They are the one that I slay first. Ask Pastor Amel if he can make money however he wants. Ask Pastor Amel if he has way to go get money, to borrow money and not give it back. There's no way for Pastor Amel. Ask him if he can touch the women wrongly. Ask him if there's a way. If there's no way for me, there's no way for anybody else. There's no way for them.
Hey. God.
Look. I haven't preached yet. What happened to me? What happened to me? I haven't started. I see I'm turning it around. That means if there's no way for someone, there's no way for you. And when you do this thing, that's not good online. I will say your name online. Listen for something in 2023. The gospel has to be clear. Besides, let me tell you something. In the little level that I have, I will do a little bit of grammar. And guys, if I do something, if I do a mistake, please help me. There's to cite, and there's to cite again. There's to say, and there's to say again. That's what I learned. There's a bunch of people, once they arrive on me, it's as if they didn't go to school. What happened? It seems the thing that's inside of me did it. If the person is a big intellectual, I can sit before them and they can teach me. What I'm saying is before God. I could have sat before them and learned from them to teach me. But once they arrive at my context, it's as if they never read. There's a problem, guys. There's something that happens. Something that's inside of me, it's not simple. It's not simple for real. I have something in me. I have something in me. Don't you see? That person's Isis, the principality Isis, which is the Egyptian principality, is opening her mouth however she wants. She's saying, Pasteur Amel. She's asking for the head of Pasteur Amel. She's asking for gangs to bring the head of Pasteur Amel on a plate. Why don't ISIS come forward? They are so coward. They're sending gangs before. In all society, when the gangs cannot attack someone, the bigger chief should come and attack. And the bigger chief ISIS rise principality. Simple principality. And you're saying that Haiti will become a mud. You're lying, you're bluff. I will break your teeth in the name of Jesus. Principality ISIS, please come get other principalities in Egypt to come get me.
Même Dieu qui te battu en Égypte là,
even the first God that, the God that destroyed you in Egypt with the staff of Moses is the same God that is here. There's more than the staff of Moses.
Et toute l'armée égyptienne a toute principauté où te plongé en bas.
The Egyptian army was drowned. Say you are ISIS. Show yourself. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.